Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix Thermador dishwasher not draining, filter clean, pump check and reset steps. Fix 1. Clean the filter. Pull out the bottom dish rack completely to access the floor of the dishwasher. Then twist the cylindrical filter assembly counterclockwise and lift it straight up out of the tub. Then separate the cylinder from the flat mesh screen, rinse both under the hot running water and scrub gently with a soft brush if grease is built up. Then wipe out any standing debris from the bottom basin before locking the filter back in. Fix 2. Clear the drain pump impeller. Use a sponge or small cup to remove any remaining standing water from the filter basin. Then look for a small, spoon-shaped white plastic cover on the side or bottom of the sump. Pop it off using a teaspoon or pull it up using the built-in tab. Now reach inside and spin the little plastic span blade impeller. Remove any debris wrapping around it or jamming the blades. After that, reinstall the pump cover until you hear a distinct click, as the dishwasher will not drain if this cover is loose. Fix 3. Reset the dishwasher control board. Open the door and press and hold the start button for approximately 3 to 5 seconds until the display shows the timer or the clean lights blink. Then close the door and let the dishwasher run for 1 minute until it finishes its forced drain sequence. If the panel is completely unresponsive, flip the dishwasher's dedicated circuit breaker in your home's breaker panel to off, then wait for 3 minutes and flip it back on, and then try running a new cycle. Fix 4. Check the air gap or garbage disposal. If you recently installed a new garbage disposal, ensure the plastic knockout plug inside the disposal dishwasher drain tube was removed. Twist off the chrome cap of the air gap on top of your sink. Check for and remove any food sludge blocking the plastic nozzle. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.